Hello and welcome back. Today I have a very nice smashed Garmin Fenix 5. 5? Yes, fiber reinforced polymer Taiwan Fenix 5. I bought this from eBay for £39. Right, then we're gonna attempt to fix it. So also, so the glass is cracked, but also the screen is cracked as well. But as you can see, it's working. There is a picture of somebody, so I'm trying to keep it at an angle. I've tried to pair it and it finds it, but I can't go into pairing mode because this button over here doesn't work. I'm not very familiar with Garmin watches, so I'm not 100% sure how the pairing works and where in the menu I have to go. But yeah, so it doesn't have straps, so we'll have to get some straps as well. Yeah, so in order to not get cut, I'm gonna put some tape onto it. I'm gonna take off my gloves because it's easier. Like in the previous video, I think I'm gonna start with the back so I can take out in the previous video that I did about the Vivo Active. So I'm gonna start with the back because I want to get to the battery and turn it off so in theory I don't short anything. It is charging, so I think that's fine, but there is a little bit, I think here on this pin, on the third pin, it looks like it's black. We will see. So let's first take it apart. I'm gonna fast forward through this one. Is this a Torx? Strive 5, Torx 5. Anyway. It's a Torx 6. So gently remove the cover and we have the battery and the battery connector here. Just pry it up and it's open. I think we might, there's no way to test if this battery is good or bad. So I might replace also the battery. Right. Now you can see here there is a little plastic. I'll try to pry this up gently. And then there is a connector over here, and I got that open as well, but it does have a little bit of glue. I'm thinking maybe somebody else who has been in here before. I'm gonna take my gloves off. It's annoying me. Right. Let me see what is this. Yeah, it's a bit of glue. Okay, so I've disconnected this. Can see two screws, one here. Oh, this is a normal Phillips. And one here. And then should be able to take this out. Oh, what was the, let's have a look. So these three, so this one. Oh, you can see there. Yeah, you can see the button. Look at these ones from this side, how they are, and look at this one on this side, how it is. If you see there, I'm not sure if it's broken or not. We'll have a look, but it's definitely not right. So now I'm gently trying to pry out the motherboard. Oh, and my button has just went all over the place. Let's undo the clip, I hope. Yeah. So this is the motherboard. We'll have to see how we put this back, the button I mean, because it's very, very small. So this is one piece. Wondering where is the other piece. Maybe there isn't another piece, and it's just, we'll see. It should be a button. We should have a button. That's not good. Definitely not good. Right, and now we need to turn it over. Wow. This is so small. Oh, it's very, very small. So turn it over. Don't see anything falling. Right, so we need to open the top. So we'll try with the T5, with the Torx 5. Yeah, that's right. So that's good. Another one. We need to remember not to mix, we can't mix them up because they're different, but hopefully all the screws from the top are the same. Okay, so now we should be able to take this out, I hope. Unfortunately this part, it's one part, so we can't take it out, just one part here. Oh, what's this? We can take this out, so 2 more screws. 1 second, I think it's this one. Not sure what this is, but it's definitely dirty. You can see inside is a bit white. No idea. So next thing, oh, found the button. One button, come here. No, it went in. Okay, so we need to take the screen out. So I think I'm gonna push it from this side. It should only be glued in. And the fact that the screen and also the glass is broken. I'm not bothered about them. Let me try it out with something that is a little bit more sturdy. No, stupid me. There's one more screw. Right, T5 again. Hopefully I didn't bend. Yeah, I didn't push very hard. Okay, so this is out. Right, Where is my... Where are you? Is this the button? Is this what's left of my button? Oh no. Yeah. Great. That's what's left of the button. Yeah, and you can see here, so the actual screen is glued to this. So we need to get a replacement part with everything in. And let's see if we can source another one of these little buttons, because yeah, there's nothing I can do. I don't think there is anything I can do. Let's see here. Yeah, there's absolutely... We'll try, and then we're gonna try to solder it, or at least try. It shouldn't be... How many... As it's gonna have 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3 solder points. It's gonna be what's gonna be. It's gonna be what it is going to be, unfortunately. But these are so tiny. So this one is the one that has the issue. We're gonna see. So we're gonna not sure about the battery. It's very easy to change, which is good. So I'm gonna put everything here back to here. So let's put... So this one definitely... it doesn't look... This one doesn't look broken. So I think it might be repairable, maybe. Nope. Put it here in the middle. Right, then this, and with its 2 screws. And then these 2 little screws that are silver. I'm happy that at least they're different, so they're gonna be... it's gonna be easy. Yeah, and these ones that are at the back are a little bit longer than the ones from the front, and they're also thicker. So from that point of view, I think we're good. Right, I'm gonna put this little thing as well, even if I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's there. Okay, I can put this one here as well. It will go, yeah, it will go in that. Okay, and the rest are going to stay out because I don't have space for it here. Right, so we are going to have to source some parts. So I'm going to keep this out and try to find this. Looks easy enough because it has everything. And yeah, The rest I'm gonna put them in a pouch here with the charging cable, and hopefully I'm not going to mess around with them. Right, so this is a couple of weeks later, I can't remember, 2 or 3, and we got everything back. So this is our original screen, and here are all the things that we salvaged. Here is the new screen. Which I didn't even open to see if it's correct. I was almost going to ruin it. Yeah. Dodgy job around there, but what can I say? Looks to be fine. Looks to be the same color. So yeah, that's good. I'll put it back so I don't scratch it. I don't. Yeah. So that's one. The other thing, this tiny little component over here, it's one of the buttons, which we've seen that it was damaged, so we have to replace that one. So if this button here, can you see? Yeah. So we're gonna have to change that button with this little button over here. Okay. And the other thing I got a nice, hopefully, a nice strap for this. Let's see if it's yeah, looks very nice. Okay. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film the next part with me changing this little button, because it's very, very small. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do it. And I can see next to it there is a small, very, very small component. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put the microscope on, and I'm gonna try and see how I can do it. So next time I'm probably going to show you this already with the button on it. Right, so we are back. Just to understand, I've managed to do it. Very tiny components, very hard to get them off and on. So here is the old one. Yeah, as you can see, I've burned a little bit. There was a plastic tape here. Don't know if this will focus. Yeah, some. Right, but I've managed to burn my glove, which is fine. I've used low melt solder, so I've used the hot air gun at 300, 350. But until I've put the low melt solder, yeah, didn't want to do it. And then I've changed the tips. So this was the first one I was using, not very good. So I've put a different one, but we managed to do it. So if somebody thinks it's very easy when watching somebody do it online, it's not. It's very hard. So yeah, practice is all I can say. Practice. Right, so let's let's put it back together now. Okay. Let's give this a quick clean as well. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine, and this is fine. Okay. Just give it a quick clean. See? This is where you should leave things alone how they are and not be bothered. Right, so now let's assemble everything back together. People were saying about this that I should take it out. Right. So let's start with the screen. So the screen will have to go in first. So it has a little here a little pin. Yeah, and here another pin, so you can't put it the wrong way around. Okay, so that fits very nicely. So now I would be putting back the screws. Let's see where the screws are. So let me put this away. It's funny because it's been 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks, so now I have to remember where all the things were. This one definitely we don't need, and we don't need this plastic thing, and we don't need this plastic thing. Okay, so we need 5 screws. For the screen. Those tiny screws are to keep in the, I remember those, they're to keep in the PCB, so those don't matter for now, but I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. And the other ones want, this is a tiny one. I think these are the ones. Okay. Right, moment of truth. I put everything back together. All the buttons are working, or it seems to be working. The last screw went a little bit not so good, but yeah, I think we're all good. Let me see where I have. What did I do with it? Oh, it's here. It's looking for the charging cable. So let's see. I'm gonna put the USB meter to see if we get any charge. So fingers crossed. Yeah, we get 0.13 and we have an image on the screen. Now I'm not very familiar with yeah, so it says 3%, 4%. And yes, we have an image on the screen. How do I do this? Down? Oh yeah, down, okay. Discard. Is this to discard? No. No. Is discard this one? Oh yeah, okay. Yes. Okay. So we have activity discarded, okay. So how do I go back? Do I 4%, okay. Menu. Oh. I have no idea how to use it. Altimeter seems to think that we are 500 below. Don't know how to. Oh, calibrate. Okay. Altimeter 0. Okay. Right. So it works. I'll put it on charge, and I'll come back for the final. I'll show you how much I spent on the button and how much I spent on the strap, and also how much I spent on the screen. So it has been charging and it's 100% charged now. Let's put the strap on. Very simple, very nice. And that's it. I am going to test it out. I will probably have to clean it as well. Give it a nice clean. But it looks good as a watch, as a smartwatch. Very good. Right, now, before I leave you, so I've purchased this, so the watch without the straps from eBay in the UK for £31.94. And then I got the button that I switched. That one I got from eBay, again, eBay UK, for £3.85. And then the strap, the black strap, I got it from AliExpress for £3.24. And the LCD display, I got it from AliExpress for £41.09. That brings me to a total of £80.12, which honestly I don't know if it's high or low. What I can tell you is that the refurbished watches similar to this are being sold between 70 and 100. So I don't know how good or how bad it is in terms of price. We're gonna see that when I'm gonna put it for sale, and yeah, I will find out how much it's gonna sell for. Hoping at least I get my money back, at least. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, all of it, and I hope to see you on the next one. Hoping that you like this kind of video. It was really good, and it was better than when I did the Garmin Vivo Active 3, because this has screws which you can open, and it doesn't have glue, glue is very difficult to take off without damaging anything. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.